Let's have a quick conversation about drop shipping baby products. And the big question is, can you actually do something to really hop on this very lucrative, let's say, drop shipping niche? So here are the top products I want you to really pay attention to. First of all, you want to think about organic baby clothes, okay? And organic baby clothes actually are really, really popular because organic clothing is actually made from materials that come from crops grown in accordance with organic standards. And these items, which actually run the gamut from pajamas to baby rompers, are made from cotton, linen, silk, wool, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically, you can make a lot of cash if you are able to actually seize on the trends in that market. And basically, if you take this approach to drop shipping baby clothes, just make sure that you have a certified organic fulfillment partner. Because the whole thing is you want to be consistent from A to Z. So organic baby clothes are really, really popular this year, especially in certain circles in Europe, but also in Asia, but also in North America. You also have a baby booster seats. So if you're thinking about baby products to actually start your drop shipping shop, think about baby booster seats. And this seat atop a regular chair, boosting, if you will, a baby up to sit closer to adult eye level. And since this seating will be holding children, make sure to only source products that have undergone rigorous child safety testing, right? Because the last thing you do not want to really endanger your customers' children. Third, you want to think about baby bottles. So an old standby among baby accessories. Baby bottles actually should be made from BPA-free plastic to ensure safety. Again, I want to insist on the safety aspect of the products you're selling to children. You can also explore other feeding accessories like cups, plates, and like tools designed for babies specifically. So that's important. But one thing for sure, you want to make sure that you source those products from certified suppliers or from I mean, at least from reliable suppliers. Next, you want to think about disposable diapers. So if you are looking for baby products to start your dropshipping shop, think about disposable diapers. I mean, this is a pretty good staple to actually to actually beef up your dropshipping business, especially if you are going to the baby niche. Okay, so disposable items lead to repeated online sales because customers have to replenish their supplies. So parents of newborns buy diapers for years until their child is actually potty trained. Okay, so it's one of those things where you want to really you want to think about the long run, like in a very scalable manner. Okay, so that's really good. You have at least if you have clients, you probably have clients for 1 to 3 years until the babies are potty trained. Okay. Next, you have a hypoallergenic baby diaper wipes, and this is also another accessory that comes with the diaper thing that's really, really profitable for you as a drop shipper. So wipes go hand in hand with diapers. So as a drop shipper, consider actually bundling the diapers and the wipes in a combo package. Many customers prefer water-based wipes as other varieties may cause actually skin allergies. You do not want to have like, let's say redness or whatever. Okay, so think about that. Hypoallergenic baby diaper wipes. Next, you want to think about diaper backpack. So if you're thinking about actually drop shipping baby products this year, think about diaper backpack. So another item in the diaper category is the backpack that holds diapers and various baby changing accessories. So if parents have to go out, let's say having a picnic in the park or traveling, at least they have an entire bag that can really help them out. Okay. So this backpacks can be strictly utilitarian or surprisingly stylish. It really depends on the kind of niche you are after. It depends on the kind of audience you have, and or what are the let's say the styles or the wants and needs of your specific target audience. If you're looking for baby products to start your dropshipping shop, I want you to think about a baby healing ointment. It's one of those things where when you think about ointment, though, you have to be a little careful because you are speaking about a health of products, right? So from cuts to a chapped skin, babies routinely need healing ointment, and you can actually drop ship this product in fairly small bottles. And the cool thing is that doing so will lower shipping costs and may lead to more frequent purchases when parents need refills. And again, children until they're 2 or 3 years old, you'll have instances where they actually cut themselves, and so you have a sustainable supply of revenue, if you will. You also have a no-touch forehead thermometer, for instance, and this is pretty good in terms of helping you get the temperature real fast and in a pretty accurate manner. So no-touch forehead thermometer. So a no-touch thermometer actually takes a child's temperature safely and with hopefully few tears, right? So you can partner with a medical supply company to actually drop ship this. And the cool thing is that you are actually having a pretty good user experience, not only from the child, but also from her or his parents. Next, you have a white noise machine. So if you're looking for baby products to start your dropshipping shop, think about white noise machines. So white noise machines help babies sleep through the night, meaning they help parents sleep through the night as well. So that's kind of cool from a scalability point of view, but also from let's say from a convenience point of view. You also have teething toys. So teething is a fact of baby life. There is always a market for infant teething toys. Make sure to choose a supplier that uses BPA-free plastic or food-grade silicone, right? The whole thing is if you're touching on children's health, you want to be extra careful. Extra, extra, extra careful. You want to source from reputable suppliers. You want to source from suppliers who have been certified or who believe in holding a certain standard in terms of quality, because you do not want to really be cheap here. You do not want to go with a cheap supplier who doesn't care about some quality standards. Okay, we are speaking here about children's safety, so that's important. If you're thinking about baby products to start your dropshipping shop, I want you to think about car seats this year. I mean, car seats are actually another staple that can really help you boost your dropshipping business revenue big time because basically not only are they profitable, but the margins are pretty high as well. Okay, so every car will need a baby car seat as long as the parents actually have a baby, right? So a sturdy car seat protects babies from car accident injuries. So you can drop ship full car seats, but shipping costs may be high for the customer, the drop shipper, or both on account of the bulky dimensions. You can also drop ship car seat covers, which ship more affordably in compact packages. So it's one of those things where you have to see your niche, you have to see your location, you have to see actually the kind of target audience you're going after. If your target audience is willing to pay for the shipping, no problem. You also have breast milk storage bags. So breast milk storage bags are a convenient and hygienic way for mothers to store the milk they have pumped, allowing it to be safely stored and given to the baby later. Okay, it's one of those things where again you want to pay attention to health standards here. And so breast milk storage bags are appealing to drop shippers because the empty bags are extremely lightweight and can ship in small packages. Another product I want you to really focus on if you are interested in drop shipping baby products is actually anything that revolves around bedding. Bedding is really important. Bed, sleeping, those are important. Kind of similar to teething, for instance. A baby will need to sleep. So whether a child sleeps in a crib or a baby a bed, they'll need washable bedding. So the cool thing here is that you have a lot of like recyclability, if you will. Okay, you can drop ship baby products such as sheets, blankets, or even baby sleeping bags. It really depends upon the kind of niche you're going after, and some parents will be willing to actually pay a full price for baby sleeping bags if the safety is there, of course. You also have baby related crafts. So if you're looking for baby products to start your dropshipping shop, think about baby related crafts. Now, some e-commerce vendors dropship baby related arts and crafts products, such as a footprint ornament craft kit that lets parents create a Christmas ornament with their infant's footprint. So, I mean, nowadays with the advent of artificial intelligence, it's just getting a lot easier to actually have those artifacts actually created. Okay, if you go on Etsy, if you go on eBay, if you go on Amazon, you will see lots of products like this. So, baby related crafts are really a good and let's say a solid investment if you are going to dropship baby products this year. Next, you have portable high chairs. So portable high chairs are pretty good also in terms of convenience. Okay, and this collapsible chairs are actually perfect for families who travel or have limited space. And so when sourcing those products, you want to prioritize suppliers whose items meet international safety standards. Again, when we're speaking about babies, we're speaking about safety. We're speaking about health standards. We're speaking about a highly regulated sort of industry. So the compact folding, when it comes to those portable high chairs, the compact folding design typically means reasonable shipping cost, despite being a larger item. Next, you have a swaddle blankets. So swaddle blankets are a high demand item that actually ships easily due to their lightweight nature. So you want to partner with suppliers who actually offer certified organic materials or hypoallergenic fabrics, because parents often seek these premium features, and this can be drop shipped individually or bundled with other sleep related items. You also have a pacifier clips. So this small but essential accessories are ideal for dropshipping due to their low shipping cost and high margin potential. So you just want to ensure that your supplier uses food grade materials, since babies may chew on the clips, right? So you do not want to really endanger children. So you can differentiate your offering by, let's say, choosing unique designs or sustainable materials. It's one of those things where you have to see how to really add more margins to your existing revenue anyway. If you're looking for baby products to start your dropshipping shop, I want you to think about baby sun hats. If you have clients who travel a lot, or not travel, but they go to the beach, or they go to areas where you have sunlight, you want to think about baby sun hats, especially if you have, let's say, a picnic, whatever. So UV protective hats are a seasonal product with strong summer demand. So you want to look for suppliers offering a UPF rated materials and adjustable features that really allow the hat to grow with the baby. That's what you want. You do not want to really drop ship a sun hat that's only useful for, let's say, 1 year or one season, right? One summer. You want to really have an adaptable, a scalable sun hat. And so those baby sun hats are lightweight and can ship economically, making them attractive for international drop shipping. You also have a milestone photo props. So this photography accessories actually tap into a parent's desire to document their baby's growth on social media. So you want to choose suppliers offering a high quality printing that won't fade in photos, right? I mean, you want the quality to actually stay after years, okay? And so these items typically ship flat, keeping logistics costs low while maintaining good profit margins, especially if you are trying to really, if you're thinking about doing drop shipping, like baby drop shipping in the long run. You also have stroller fans. So a stroller fan is actually a battery powered device that clips onto a stroller to cool the baby on a hot day. So again, this is kind of cool. If this is kind of cool for parents who love to be outside with their babies, okay, with their toddlers. And so depending on your supplier, those fans may be nearly identical to those sold for adult use, okay? So it's one of those things where you have to see what works and what doesn't work for you. especially when it comes to the specific niche that you are going after. Like if your target audience is in a specifically hot area, then you want to really pay attention to the kind of product you are actually the kind of baby products that you want to drop ship. So I just shared with you our top 20 baby products to start your dropshipping shop. Let me give you a few facts before I close to this conversation. When you think about dropshipping, think about a retail business model where you actually save a lot of cash. Okay, you do not actually spend anything when it comes to inventory. You don't spend anything when it comes to logistics. When it comes to shipping, basically, one company operates a storefront, typically online, and that's your store, while another fulfills customers' orders. So e-commerce store owners who follow a dropshipping model don't keep products in stock, but source them from a third-party supplier or manufacturer, which ships out orders to customers. Okay, so that's really cool because you are basically bringing the business, and the dropshipper is taking care of the rest. So dropshipping is like being a middleman. You take customer orders and pass them on to a supplier who ships the product. You are running an e-commerce storefront without having to manage inventory or even shipping logistics. So if you want to really dropship baby products basically properly, you have to have a certain method because dropshipping baby products is more or less the same as dropshipping other retail items. As a seller, you establish an online store, market your brand to a target audience, and handle sales transactions. You decide which baby products you want to sell online and find baby product suppliers who can ship those products when a customer orders them. Okay. In many cases, a store that dropship baby products uses multiple suppliers to fulfill orders. Let me give you an example. One store could sell could actually sell both baby bath toys and baby diaper bags, but the products might ship from two different dropshipping suppliers, each with its own contractual arrangements with a dropshipping store. So, as an e-commerce dropshipper, what you want to do is you want to sign a legally binding contract with your suppliers so that you have a contract that covers the responsibilities of each party, quality and safety liability, and the length of the contractual arrangement. Okay. Now, if you want to dropship baby products, you want to really have the right platform. Whether you have Shopify, whether you have BigCommerce or WooCommerce, you want to really understand that you want to really have the right platform. So whether you want to dropship baby clothes, diapers, or thermometers, you need to have the right platform. And you can also source mass-produced products like CP cups or plastic toys from overseas marketplaces like Alibaba and AliExpress. You can curate suppliers from this platform using a Shopify app called Deezers. So that's kind of cool because it gives you a lot more flexibility, but also gives you more affordability, by the way. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about baby products to start your dropshipping shop. I give you the top products, the facts, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.